Hi, my name is Zachary. I go to SAR High School, and this is my starter project, the Theramin. Basically, a theremin is a musical instrument that uses motion to give an output, give a tone, give a sound. So this is the power source, 9-volt battery, but it's made into 5 volts in order so that the circuit doesn't overheat, and that energy is used by mainly the chips and the LEDs. So I'll just demonstrate how it emits sound from motion. So as you see, when I move my hand around it, it makes different noises. So the way in which this works is that this acts as the antenna, which can detect the movement, and it releases a direct current, which this chip, the 555 IC chip, it takes that and it converts the direct current into an alternating current, which then can be used in the piezo speaker, which basically has 2 discs that are that need a magnetic field in order to produce sound. So the AC current is able to create that magnetic field, and thus the speaker is able to make sound. Now the other chip here is able to, it controls the LEDs, and it also controls the different modes in which the antenna can operate, either more smooth, continuous mode, or the more discrete. This is a regulator. It helps regulate the amount of current, the amount of electricity going to the different parts of the circuit. These are the capacitors, which just store energy. These are the resistors that control how much electricity is going to each part of the circuit, because certain parts need more, certain parts need less, so, and you don't want the excess to make it overheat. Yeah, so that's the theremin, and so some of the difficulties I encountered were, some difficulties soldering, maybe too much solder, or solder connecting two of the wires on the bottom that they weren't supposed to be connected, and at a certain point also I'd forgotten to solder something. So when I'd put my battery in, I expected it to hear a noise and see the LEDs go off, but it did end up happening. But I went through, I looked at what could be wrong, so I realized the problem that something wasn't soldered, and so I soldered and I fixed it. And I enjoyed this project because although I've done other engineering type projects in the past, I haven't done anything this advanced really. And I also enjoyed that I was able to make a machine, and I liked the final output.